we're in first alert weather mode as our region braces for what's known as a bomb cyclone. That's bringing a blizzard warning to the Cascades and strong winds here in the lowlands. Thanks for being with us. I'm Steve Solis.
I'm Jessica Janner Castro. We're already seeing several inches of fresh snow up on Snoqualmie Pass today. Be sure to check restrictions before hitting the road through the mountain passes over the next several days. Right now, traction tires are advised on Snoqualmie. On Stevens Pass, traction tires are advised.
We want to get to our team coverage now. Our team of meteorologists are tracking what the storm could bring to western Washington. Let's start now with Leah Pizzetti out at Snoqualmie Pass. Leah.
Hey, Steve. Hey, Jessica. Yeah, it is just a beautiful, picture perfect evening out here. I've seen a mix of everything. We've been out here all day. We saw snow, we saw a little bit of blue sky, we saw a little bit of graupel even. Right now, a very light snow is falling, and this snow was described to me as snowball snow. I think that says it all. You pick it up, it is light, it is fluffy, it's sticky. It's really just the most cliche perfect snow you could ever experience. So this is a great start to the season. We're already doing better than last year. Last year brought just 7 inches of snow to Snoqualmie Pass in the month of November. We're approaching a foot of snow already with today's total. Even more is on the way tomorrow. And don't forget, a weak La Nina is expected this winter, which does tend to favor more better mountain snow. In fact, the National Weather Service records show the average snow season at Snoqualmie Pass brings 412 inches. This winter, a weak La Nina is expected, which averages 456 inches per season, which is more than 3 feet above average. So these last 24 hours of snow are the first taste of what looks like a snowy season, and WashDOT workers are already hard at work.
Oh, yeah, it just moves so nicely. Yay! There we go, all ready for tomorrow.
That's Deanna. She has worked here on the pass for about 20 years. She says she's already noticing what feels like a La Nina winter. Right now, like I said, we do have some light snow falling. We're kind of in between storms right now, but we have more snow on the way. So let's get to meteorologist Adam Claybon. And Adam, we have a unique blizzard warning that has been issued here in the Cascades.
Yes, we certainly have, Leah. So we're expecting things to change a little bit more with this next system coming in. This is going to include more wind, and we've been talking about this. We mentioned the bomb cyclone. Well, it's going to be because of these winds that are picking up. High wind warnings out for the Cascade foothills and up across parts of the coast as well. But yes, at the same time, we're going to be keeping an eye out for what will be happening up across the mountains, which will include the higher winds. Yeah, some snow, 4 to 12 inches, but that's not too bad over a 24 or 36-hour period. That starts up at 4 p.m. tomorrow and lasts until 10 a.m. on Wednesday. But with the wind, that's going to reduce the visibilities to about 1/4 of a mile, and that will reduce it to that 1/4 of a mile or less even quite frequently. And when you have that for a prolonged period of time of 3 hours or more, that's when you get into those blizzard warning criteria sort of ranges. And that's why the National Weather Service has issued that blizzard warning out for that time. Here's what's going on currently. We don't really have a ton of action out there, but as Leah was saying, we do have some of that snow that's showing up across parts of the Cascades right now, and over Stevens Pass, and there is Snoqualmie Pass too. A few light snowflakes falling as we head on into our evening. Quite a bit more as we head on into the latter part of the night, and that will be because of that bomb cyclone.